Parasitism is the third symbiotic relationship involving a parasite and a host. The parasite is the organism that feeds off the nutrients of another organism, and the host is the organism that the parasite is feeding off of. So for example, this is a mosquito feeding on a human, so the mosquito is acting as the parasite and the human is acting as a host because the parasite is feeding on the human. Another example would be the tick, which feeds on deer. So the tick is the parasite, whereas the deer is the host. Again, the parasite feeds on the host. So it's clear in this relationship that the parasite gains and the host loses. There are two different types of parasites, ecto and endoparasites, one that lives within and the other that lives without. So you can tell from the prefixes which one is which. Ecto means without. So ectoparasites live on the surface of the skin. So for example, the mosquito or the tick, they are both ectoparasites. And when they feed on another organism's blood for nutrition, they can cause significant harm. For example, a tick that lives on a deer will weaken the deer by continuously drawing on its blood. Ticks and mosquitoes can also pass around harmful diseases, such as malaria and Lyme disease. So endo means within, so an endoparasite lives inside an organism, and an example of that would be the tapeworm. I didn't include any pictures because they're pretty disturbing to look at, but you can know that tapeworms can get ingested by animals through the food they eat, and then the tapeworm will live inside the animal and feed on all the other food the host eats. So remember, parasitism involves the parasite and the host. The parasite feeds on the host, and the parasite wins, and the host loses.